Hey guys, welcome back to Cube Arena. Today we'll be looking at part 3 of the beginner's method, the middle layer. So let's now move on to the video. So in the previous part of the solving the white layer, we did until this kind of scenario, and then now we'll be solving these 4 pieces in the middle layer. So for this, you just have to look around the cube. After you solve until this phase, you have to look for each piece on the top layer, which is this. For example, we have to choose a piece which has 2 colors which is in the middle layer. For example, green, red, or orange, green. But if you see this piece, it's a red, yellow. Since it has a yellow, it will somewhat be fitted over here with the yellow facing on top. So it won't be coming into the middle layer. So any piece which has a yellow side is not gonna be fitted into the middle layer. For example, let's choose one of this. In this case, I choose this piece. So the first we have to see is that the colors of the 2 pieces. Now we can see that this is the orange-green piece. We have to match the orange to the orange centerpiece. For example, if it's like this, you have to match this color perfectly to the orange itself. Then we have to do this following steps, which is actually before we do that, we have to see which side we have to put this piece in. For example, this is a orange and green piece, which is to go into the orange and green over here. Okay, so for this is on the left side, so you have to follow these steps. These steps only can be only used if the piece is on top here and we have to put it to the left side. Similarly, we have another case here, which is the green red piece, which is supposed to be matched right here. So after you match it to the correct color, and then we realize that the piece has to come right here. So we do the direct opposite of it. And if you see, this piece is also fitted correctly. And then we can now look at this piece, which is the orange blue piece, which has to match to the correct color below, which is blue, which is right here. And then you have to put it into the left side, which is in the first algorithm, which is this. Now if you realize that one of these pieces is a difficult piece, if you realize that the red and the blue piece has just been flipped over. So for this, you have to imagine that this is the correct piece and put a random piece into this place so that this piece gets displaced and comes to the top ring so that you can orientate it and put it in the correct way. So let's just take that the white orange piece is the correct piece. So for example, we have to do the left side piece steps again. After I do that, you can see that this is a different piece here, so that now this piece is in the outer ring. So you have to similarly match it the color, it's like this, and you have to put in the left ring, which is doing the first set of algorithms. And just like that, we're done. So in the next episode, we will be solving the yellow cross on the top layer. So sometimes there are other cases which I'll show in a while. So actually, that was one of the rare cases, and this actually all you have to know for the middle layer. So now let's look at the final case. So as I said, this is the final case. It's actually not a case, but just a different type of swapping method. So for example, this piece has to come over here, and this piece is to come over here. So for this, we have to do the same thing as what we did just now. Is put a random piece into it so that it displays the piece, and then we can put it on the top ring. So you can insert it here, and that piece will come out, and we can put that back here. So this is quite tedious, but anyways, we have to do it. So for this case, I'll just show you a right side example, which is these algorithms. So now we have to match this to the bottom color and do the left side algorithms. And then now we have to do another left side algorithms because it's already matched. And so that's all the cases. And as I said earlier on, part 4 will be about solving the yellow cross. And I think that is also a very easy part to do. And if you realize, this is a very simple layer to do, as it just requires about 6 steps to solve one piece at a time. So it's not about intuition or anything, just the algorithms. Just memorize it and you just put it in and that's it. So now guys, this is the end of part 3 and see you guys in the next video of part 4 of solving the yellow cross. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!